Hello everyone, welcome to Kit Kat Tech. Today I will be showing you a step-by-step on how to transfer all the data from your current phone to a new iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, or iPhone 11 Pro Max using the new iPhone migration tool. According to Apple, this is a new way of migrating from one phone to another. As long as you have an iPhone 5S or newer, running on iOS 12.4 or higher. So whether you're upgrading from an iPhone 5S, iPhone SE, 6S, 7, or even iPhone 8, the process is going to be the exact same on every single device. But in this example, today I'm going to be upgrading last year's iPhone 10 Pro to the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. There are a few ways you can back up and restore your iPhones, and the two most common methods that people use are either using iTunes or iClouds. The newest method is to use the iPhone migration tool, which will allow you to transfer everything over from an old iPhone to a new iPhone wirelessly. And I mean everything. All your texts, email accounts, calendar, photos, videos, music, passwords. All the settings and almost every single apps will come along so you won't lose any information. So on your new phone, unlock the screen or just move the old phone closer and immediately you should see a little pop-up to set up a new iPhone with your Apple ID account in it. Go ahead and just tap on continue to start. Then you're just going to use your current phone camera to scan the pattern inside the circle on the new phone. Now enter your passcode from your current phone to the new iPhone. This is the same passcode to unlock your screen. Once you entered your passcode, it will say setting up your phone. It may take a few seconds, so just be patient. The next step will activate your phone. You can put in your SIM card now or do it later. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to put it in later once everything is transferred over. So the first thing it's going to ask you is to set up your Face ID. Again, you can do it now or you can do it later. I'm going to select Setup Later in Settings. And here is the new Transfer Your Data menu. We're going to choose the first option, which is Transfer from iPhone to start the migration. Go through all the little prompts and then it will start transferring all your data directly from your current phone to the new phone wirelessly. And you'll just have to make sure to keep both phones as close to as possible so you can get the best transfer rate and it doesn't time out on you. Because you will get an error message asking to move the device closer to continue if the phones are too far apart. You'll also need to make sure that both phones has enough battery life. If not, you'll need to charge the phone so the power doesn't run out during the transfer. So the amount of time it takes to transfer is greatly dependent on how much data you have on your current phone. If you have an iPhone that you've been using for years and have lots of pictures and videos or music, obviously that may take a little longer to transfer all that data to the new phone. It could take roughly as little as 5 or 10 minutes to 40 minutes to over an hour. Once the migration is completed, you'll see this message on your original iPhone and just tap on continue. Now on the new phone, you're going to see the Apple logo after it reboots. Now for me, it has taken about 40 minutes or so to transfer everything because I had about 120 gig of data. And once you get to the home screen, you will need to have internet connection to re-download all your apps that have been migrated over. So you can connect to your Wi-Fi connection or insert the SIM card from your old phone to continue with the download. Now you'll notice all the apps that are dim are waiting to install. Most of the information had been moved over, but the app itself will need to be downloaded. So it will take a little bit of time and you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video.